Former Maharashtra Deputy Chief Minister and NCP leader Ajit Pawar has laid bare his chief ministerial ambition, speaking exclusively to our sister concern Aaj Tak after the NCP and the Congress ended their 15-year-old alliance. Pawar said that the Congress is now trying to malign the NCP by floating rumours that the NCP is working for a tie-up with the BJP.
आपकी महत्वाकांक्षा तो है मुख्यमंत्री।
अरे सबकी महत्वाकांक्षा रहती है, जो भी पार्टी का काम करते हैं सबकी महत्वाकांक्षा रहती है। महत्वाकांक्षा क्या खाली विधायक रहने की किसी की रहती है क्या? विधायक को ऐसा लगता है कि स्टेट मिनिस्टर बनना चाहिए, स्टेट मिनिस्टर को ऐसा लगता है मिनिस्टर बनना चाहिए, कैबिनेट मिनिस्टर को ऐसा लगता है कि डेप्यूटी चीफ मिनिस्टर बनना चाहिए, डेप्यूटी मिनिस्टर चीफ मिनिस्टर को लगता है चीफ।
And Sahil Joshi, our bureau chief, now joining us live from Mumbai. Sahil, Ajit Pawar making his ambition clear. So let's just actually look at the fight that's taking place in the capital now. Who are going to be the chief ministerial contenders?
See, officially, what Ajit Pawar is saying that there is no one whom NCP is projecting as the chief minister candidate, but it's not a hidden secret that Ajit Pawar himself will be the chief minister of Maharashtra if the NCP gets the required numbers after the elections. And Ajit Pawar has made it pretty clear in the interview that yes, he has ambitions to become the chief minister, but he refuses that that is not the reason why the Congress NCP alliance broke down. But yes, everyone knows that why the Congress NCP alliance broke down, because NCP understands that till the time they are in alliance with Congress, it is not possible that NCP can project anyone as the chief minister candidate, or they can make their own party member a chief minister. Because in 2004, when NCP got more seats than Congress, despite that, the Congress pushed NCP aside and made their own chief minister and gave them 3 more cabinet berths. So they know that if they are in alliance with Congress and fight the election, if they have a pre-poll alliance with Congress, it is not possible for them to make their own chief minister. Whereas now the situation is that for the first time in Maharashtra, the 4 major parties are contesting elections on their own. So there is at least a little chance that maybe the post-poll, if there is a new phenomena comes up and there can be realignments, and because of that NCP at least will have a chance to make its own chief minister. It's very difficult to predict at this point of time that which party will be in a position to form the government, because for the first time, as I said, that the 4 important parties, the bigger parties, are contesting on their own.
Sahil Joshi, thank you for bringing us that update.